Hello， 大家好，我是苏敏。这几天我在广州，所以准备带大家来逛一下广州。Now I'm in the Butterfield with Godowns Wharf, Haizhu District, which is called 太古仓 in Mandarin. There's not many people on the road at 7 p.m. I guess it is because Guangzhou has just lifted lockdown and people are afraid to come out. 太古仓 is a wharf with a history of more than 100 years. It was built by the British Swire Shipping Company for 1904 to 1908 for Swire Shipping Company. In Guangzhou in the 1920s, it was relatively complete storage terminal. You can see that the currently docks is using for cultural creative, exhibition and trade, leisure and entertainment, tourism and so on. I remember the last time I was there, people were out walking and dancing and play the ball in the evening. It was great that people had time to do what they love. It makes me like the city of Guangzhou very much. And you can see that there are many bars and restaurants around, which is also a good place for date. And bar Chinese said 酒吧 酒吧. Restaurant Chinese said 餐厅 餐厅. And date Chinese said 约会约会。Christmas coming and everyone take photo with the Christmas tree. Christmas tree Chinese said 圣诞树圣诞树. There are still many people fishing at night. And fishing Chinese said 钓鱼钓鱼. Oh, someone else is seeing. I see her living streaming. What is interesting is that 我都多买一盆啦，你再便宜一点。它还有卖营养品。
for 2 tons of flowers. I have always thought that the Chinese are good planners.
I see a small island.
I don't think it's very safe here at night. It's better to come to the room day.
And now I'm going back home. If you come to Guangzhou, it's a good choice to come to Taikuzhang. I will put the address and nearby the subway station in the comments. If you find our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss out our learning tips.